Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to exit full screen in Krita. If you're in full screen mode and the Krita interface fills your screen, you can toggle that mode off using the same shortcut you used to enter it. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl-Shift-F. This toggles full screen off and brings your normal workspace back. On Mac, the same combination with Shift plus Command plus F works the same way. If you're instead in canvas only mode, where only the canvas is visible and most UI elements are hidden, press Tab to exit that mode, and return the panels, toolbars, and menus. Remember, canvas only is different from full screen even though both hide interface elements. You can also use the menu at the top. Go to View, Full Screen Mode, and deselect it to return to the normal window view. And that's how you exit full screen in Krita. Thanks for watching.